Hey everyone, what's up? Here's Eric from Rollwalk. I bet after watching a few tutorials, you all are getting the hang of using the AW3, right? Now let's move on to talk about how to keep your balance when starting out as beginner. First and foremost, it's crucial for newbies to wear protective gear. Safety first, right? So power up the skates and remote, set the speed to low or middle mode at the beginning, which in order to gradually get used to the motor's power. Now get yourself in a ready position with your weight forward, bend your knees or slightly lean forward. Whatever helps keep that balance. Once you are all set, gently push the drive gear on the remote to make the skates roll. Remember, take it slow and easy to get used to the powerful drive. And when you need to stop, simply tap the rolling key on the remote for the electronic brake. Okay, there you have it. A simple guide for beginners. Have fun and enjoy the ride with Rollwalk skates. And if you encounter any issues during use, just feel free to contact us using the provided contact information. Thank you all for your patience and attention.